Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to make Lauki ki sabji or Ghiya ki sabji. This is one of the most delicious food you can ever try in Indian culture. We have all the ingredients here that we're gonna go through before we start the process. So we have 2 pound Ghiya or Lauki cut up in multiple pieces, and we have 2 whole onions chopped up. We have whole garlic chopped up. We have ginger, and we have 3 green chillies. We have 2 tomatoes, and all the herbs that we're going to be using are here. 1 tablespoon from each. I'll be writing down in the description the names for all the herbs that we're going to be using during this process to make Ghiya ki sabji or Lauki ki sabji. Let's get the process started. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pan. Now we're going to go through herbs one by one.
1 bowl for jeera.
1 tablespoon of jeera.
1 bowl dhania.
1 tablespoon of dhania.
Yes. 1 bowl suki methi.
1 tablespoon of suki methi.
Onion.
Now we're going to put the onions in. We're going to fry these onions for 4 to 5 minutes until they are well fried. No more than 4 to 5 minutes. We have fried the onions for 4 to 5 minutes. Now we're gonna put garlic, which is already chopped up. Now we're gonna put ginger and 3 green chilies. Depending on how spicy you wanna make Ghiya ki sabji or Lauki ki sabji. We mix them up. Now we're gonna put 2 cut tomatoes. We mix it well before we add the final herbs and Ghiya or Lauki. Okay, now we're gonna add the rest of the herbs and spices. 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Now we're gonna add haldi, 1 tablespoon. Garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Okay. Coriander. And some red chilli. We have put all the ingredients together, and we're going to put them together, mix them, fry them for 1 bowl of water. We're gonna fry onions. Within 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we're gonna put Ghiya or Lauki, which is already cut up. Now we're gonna putting all the Ghiya and Lauki mixed with the spices, herbs, onions, because they're well fried. We have all the ingredients in there, including Lauki, Ghiya, all the spices, all the herbs. Now we're just gonna let it sit for 15 minutes, max 12 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. As you can see, all the spices, all the ingredients, including Ghiya, Lauki, mixed well, onions. It's 99% ready. Yep, it's ready. And this is homemade Ghiya ki sabji, Lauki ki sabji. Done. There we go. We Ghiya ki sabji, Lauki ki sabji, spicy, homemade, ready to be tried.
Litre.